What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over from BTC sitting at 30.2k, up 3% on the day. Same market cap 586 billion, 24-hour volume 29 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So I think we pushed right up or very close to the 1.618 extension. Yeah, we pushed right up to the 1.618, which is typical of a wave 3, very impulsive move. So it's likely we're putting in the wave 4 pullback in between 29.6k and 28.4. If we break the 50% fib level, that would indicate that this impulse is over. However, this does just look like a wave 3. We pull back in a 4 and push up in a 5, which could take us up to about 32k or the high 31, like 31.8, 31.9k. Daily chart, we've confirmed the bullish cross of the 20 EMA over the 55, which is a strong bullish signal. The last time we confirmed the bullish cross was down here, and we saw a massive breakout to the upside. So we broke below them. We had the bearish cross, but we got right back above them. And we've confirmed the bullish cross once again. So once we come down, if we can hold it as support, then it's likely we're going to see continuation to the upside. Weekly chart, the resistance to watch here, we pushed up to about 30.9, almost 30.9k, where we did have some pretty heavy resistance. Your next major resistance on the weekly is about 33.1 and about 36.1. So in between 33 and 36k will be our next major level of resistance once we can break above the 30.9k level. DXY, we have a double bottom with the bullish divergence on the 4-hour. So we could be looking, because we're looking for a wave 5. So potentially what you're looking at here, wave 1, wave 2 pullback, come down in a 3, 4, 5. Let's complete that wave 5, change the color, make it smaller so it's not confusing. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's what we're looking at. If we do start to pull back, that's when you'll see Bitcoin start to come down in the wave 4. And then see continuation, in my opinion. If we just continue to break out, then the wave 3 isn't finished yet. But as I mentioned, we reached the 1.618 extension. So it would make sense that we're going to put in the wave 4 pullback. All right, gang, we are currently in a Bitcoin trade, which is in some juicy profits, as well as Ethereum, Gala sandbox trade as well. Hello?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
I'm at the gate.
Okay, the code is 1010.
1010.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right. Delivery. So we're in 4 trades. You can gain completely free access if you sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses, make your first deposit, and you'll receive a 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL all plays, Forex signals and analysis. As I mentioned, we're in 4 trades right now. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links are in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.